The Army is looking to acquire 12 made-in-India weapon locating radars, which would add significantly to its defenses along the China front. The Defense Ministry has prioritized the acquisition of Indian-made weapon systems as part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat project, in a bid to cut down on imports while developing a domestic ecosystem for high-tech weapons manufacture. The Indian Army has been using weapon locating radars for its operations along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, and the newly developed Swathi system was given for trials in the Army in 2018. The baseline Swathi WLR is a C-band phased array developed by LRDE and produced by Bharat Electronics Limited. It can automatically track incoming hostile rocket, artillery, and mortar rounds. Swathi can also track the trajectory of friendly rounds to locate their point of impact and issue necessary corrections. It is a two-vehicle system, with each vehicle being an 8x8 heavy-duty truck manufactured by BEML Limited, on which different elements of the overall system are mounted. The phased array itself is mounted on a swiveling platform to provide wide coverage. Now, while the IA has found the Swathi useful along the line of control, it had nevertheless requested Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, or the LRDE, to develop a lighter version of this radar. This was to enable easier operations in mountainous terrain, especially along the line of actual control, or the LAC. Responding to this request, LRDE has developed a lighter version of the Swathi radar with a fixed radar array that has a 90-degree view. This array is mounted on a BEML manufactured 6x6 truck for easier maneuverability in difficult terrain. It is noteworthy that despite the smaller footprint, Swathi 2 has better performance than the earlier version, and the IA is reportedly very pleased with its performance in mountain trials so far, which have also been conducted in winter. Post-trials, the Army now intends to buy 6 units of this new version at a cost of approximately Rs 400 crores, and the matter is now with the DAC as mentioned earlier. The program for the replacement of outdated flycatcher radars in service with the Indian military was split into 2 parts, with one consisting of an immediate import of 66 units possibly from Israel, followed by the acquisition of an Indian system, which is to be the Atulya. ADFCRs will be used to queue upgraded L-70 air defense guns, with 3 of them being slaved to each radar. As such, Atulya has reportedly passed development trials with flying colors, and it remains to be seen if the planned imports are still on the anvil.